Chapter 2, Sutra 1. Tapa, Svadhaya, Ishvar Pranidhanani, Kriya, Yoga. So, Chapter 2, the first sutra starts with this sutra. Tapa means fire or austerities or self purification. Swadhyaya means Swa Adhyaya, which is self study through scriptures. Ishwar means God, and Ishwar Pranidhanani means a surrender to the God, a special devotion to God. And Kriya Yoga means the yoga of action or the actions which will lead to yoga. So chapter 2 for us, first sutra starts with this terminology. And Vyas in his commentary explains to us that having seen a chitta, a personality complex which is ekagra, which is one pointed, now we need to give yoga practices for that chitta, that personality complex which is full of distractions. This chitta is also called as Vyuthana chitta. So Patanjali now is giving this alternative technique of yoga for those whose personality complexes are full of distractions, which pretty much includes all of us. And some people, some commentators also say that the chapter 2 Kriya Yoga is for medium or madhyam adhikaris, while chapter 1 was for uttam or the highest adhikaris. What this adhikari means we will see later, but for now adhikari means a highest form of sadhak, a highest form of student. So within the highest form also there is a uttam, which is highest, a medium, which is madhyam, and nimna or the one which is below the medium. You can call it lowest. So as of now, Kriya Yoga is supposed to be for those Vyuthana Chitta, which is a Chitta which is full of distractions. So why is that? Because a Chitta which is full of distractions will get further aggravated, will get further modified, further distracted by the stimulus which is happening around in the environment. And when that happens, the capacity of the Chitta to attain concentration is just not there. So, some form of yoga, yoga of action, some form of self-discipline is required for those modifications to be reduced, and that path is being called as Kriya Yoga. So, when the distractions are reduced in the Vyuthana Chitta or the Chitta full with distractions, then you would have a condition ready for achieving concentration, and that's the alternative path which Patanjali is suggesting. What each of these terminologies are, what does Tapa, Svadhyaya and Ishvar Pranidhana mean, we will now take it as each separate item.